Welcome to class. Today we are going to be looking at how to approximate numbers to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, also the nearest tenths and nearest hundredths. First, we are going to be looking at some rules that are going to help us to round up or approximate numbers. And the first rule says the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4 are rounded down to 0, while the digits 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are rounded up to 1 and added to the number in the required place. Okay, let's see an example that will help us to better understand what the rules are saying. Now the question says approximate 32781 to the nearest 1000, 100, and 10. So let's see how to do that. The first thing we are going to do is that we are going to write the number. Now 100 comes before 1000, and the digits of 100 there is 7. So it means we are turning 7 to 1, adding it to 2, while the other 3 digits which are 781 will be replaced with zeros. So we'll get 33000, which is to the nearest 1000. So again, we write the number. 10 comes before 100, and the value or digit of 10 there is 8. So the same thing, we are turning 8 to 1 and adding it to 7, while we replace 8 and 1 with 0, 0. So we also write to the nearest 100. Okay. Now let's see. Lastly, before 10, I have the unit value there, which is 1. So 1 is not up to 5, so we just turn 1 to 0, and we have 32780. So let's see another example. Example 2. We're asked to round off 9.625 to the nearest whole number, nearest tenth, and nearest hundredth. The whole number is just a number without decimal point. For example, 9 is the only whole number there. Now the closest number to the whole number is our tenth value, which is 6. So we turn 6 to 1 and add it to 9, and we'll get 10. So we have to write what we are doing, which is to the nearest whole number. Again, we will write the number. Now after tenth, I have 100. The 100th digit there is 2, so 2 is not up to 5. So we will just say 9.6, while we cut off the remaining part, which is to the nearest tenth. So nearest tenth has just 1 digit after the decimal point. Now after 100 is 1000, and the value of 1000 is 5. So remember the rules. We add 1 to 2, so it becomes 9.63 to the nearest 100. Note, when we say to the nearest tenth, it's the same thing as 1 decimal place. When we say to the nearest 100, it is the same thing as 2 decimal places. Okay, we are still going to see another example. Example 3. Now the question says that there are 36 teams who meet at a stadium. Each team has 12 players. We are asked now, first we have to estimate, then we have to find accurately the total number of players at the stadium. So solution, first we want to approximate. 36 is approximately 40, because 36 is closer to 40 than 30. 12 is approximately 10, because 12 is closer to 10 than 20, and when we multiply 40 and 10, we have 400. Now if we want to do the accurate calculation, we multiply the numbers as they are being given to us, and 12 times 36 is 432. So let's see now the assessment question are right there. So make reference to the video, go over the video, listen to it, possibly 2 or 3 times, so that you can solve those questions there correctly. Thank you.